Jimmy's Jukebox Mobile DJ.
Halloween special. Didn't go as planned. Something wrong with my microphone. Anyway, check it out.
Hi. Well, after my Halloween karaoke disco, my wireless mics developed a problem. I'm going to try and solve that today. Every time I was moving it, it was going making a funny noise. Only on one side, so I'm going to see if it's something to do with either a loose cap, which it could be, because that one's rattling. I tap it. Does that one rattle when I tap it? Yeah. So I'm going to find out which one it was and then have a closer look. I changed all the channels and everything. It made no difference. So it's something to do with the microphone. So let's see if we can fix it today. I'll try and recreate the scenario and show you what I mean. Just terrible. Don't even think it's turning. Aha. So there you go. Any ideas will be grateful. It might be something to do with soldering. I'll take it apart another day. I don't need them for a couple of weeks. And I've got a spare set anyway. But just a confusing thing. It works on one microphone really well, and on the other it doesn't. So hopefully I'll get it sorted. Maybe I won't. I don't know. But any help will be grateful. Thanks for watching. That was a quick video, wasn't it, of the Halloween session. But it was very busy karaokeing, and I just didn't have time to pick camera up. So see you soon. Lots of new venues coming up. Christmas coming up. See you then. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.